What's going on, guys? Today we got some pink lemonade Kit Kats. Alright, so obviously I had to get this, what is it, party pack, snack size, whatever, to try out this new flavor of Kit Kat. So we got the pink lemonade. Yeah, so let's just dive right into this. So what do we got? Serving size, 2 packages. So 2 of these are 150 calories. They are the small size. And I believe this was a Walmart special. Pink. It's like a white chocolate with like a hint of the lemonade. It's there, like the aftermath, the aftertaste of it. You're getting a little bit of that pink lemonade, but I was way more excited about these prior to trying them. I can't say that they. If someone gave me this blind taste test, I wouldn't say pink lemonade. Not at all. It has a very faint taste of lemonade, but it's primarily like a white chocolate. The inside, there's nothing there. There's just a wafer, all that normal Kit Kat stuff. But, you know, faint pink lemonade. Don't get too crazy excited when you see these. That you're going to be like blown away with like a rich, tangy lemonade taste. It's just not there. So, yeah, sorry to disappoint you guys, but if you guys want to give these a try yourself and prove me wrong, whatever, go for it. Not paid or sponsored. I don't care. If you guys like food, snacks, reviews, food review playlist section is there for you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Take care.